Wow, that's where we're coming to eat.
So you're in Houston? Dallas. Oh, Dallas.
Wow. Fish. Whoa. Bakalo Batu Marco. We in the line waiting for buffet. Look at this line. I'm in the line here with Terry.
Hey.
It's a buffet here.
Yeah.
So man, yeah. You'd think it's a discount, but we paid full price here. And look at the line. Shucks.
Some people will just be doing the tour, not the food.
Oh, not everyone here might not be paying for the food. Oh, packed. We're hungry. So this is a buffet on a boat, and we cruise around the lake. Never been here before, it's first time. Yeah. See what this is like. Long ito tanaka, made it food. Wow. It's Justin. There we go. Wow. Hello. Hello there, far away. You guys excited?
Yeah! I don't like China.
Oh, we're on the boat. Look at everyone. Hey, Lita. Wow. Oh, Josh.
TSS, that's slow.
Huh?
We're on the TSS.
TSS? Shucks, this is like amazing.
My boat is married man.
Nah, you look a bit.
Nice day. Wavy than this boat is. Pretty cool, like that. It's all bumpy.
Yeah. Yeah, I thought we were eating on the boat. Oh, what's happening?
No, we go to a farm. Oh, we're like Walter Pig Farm.
Oh,
Like a homestead.
okay. Man, I'm just gonna.
We're pulling out. Is it safe? So we're turning back.
Oh, is it too rough?
I don't know. They're not this.
I better go check on the kids, eh?
Okay.
We're worried.
And this comes up the western shore of the South West Beach. That was attention. Quite a few of our passengers going ashore over there. Of people who have purchased tickets for the evening dining.
Wow, we're inside the engine room. Oh, we're going. Look at that. He's putting the coal in. It's a real steam room. Sharp. Amazing.
We've got bird varieties of fish on Lake Wakatipo, rainbow trout, salmon, and eels. There is only native to these waters, and just the very little interest. My sister Peak is the mountain there on the left-hand side. We'll get through up to Lake from Sister Peak and head down to Peak. Those mountains just over 2,000 metres. if you want to go on the shore, we'll come and support you back to Queenstown. This is the site of the historical Roast of Peak High Country Station, established in the 1880s by the Mackenzie family. They've had the Roast of Peak for 18 years.
This is the staff waving to us. That must be where we're having a buffet. Whakalo whatu mako, mawhala na kai.
I think that's
Tau se tau mena kai mitaki kia. Ne ke ei whia. Wow, that's where we're coming to eat.
so you're in Houston.
Dallas.
Dallas.
Dallas, yeah. Very much Dallas, Northeast.
Right.
I love it. I think it's a great steak.
Well, I love cooked crispy.
Yeah.
I do love it.
Wow,
Was it the Riviera?
that's where we're going to eat, guys. Honge lahi ngutu haku.
So how long?
Just got off the boat. Man, it's packed. We're going to have lunch now. Dinner, breakfast, all in one. Steak and eggs, seafood. Hey, look, bird. It's the royal family. Terry. Oh yeah, kids over here, eh? Kids over here. Bro, check this out. Oh, Shane, bro, good choice, bro. Good choice, man. Good choice, brother. So, yeah. I wanna sit on the kids' table. Small space.
I'm gonna get it.
Wow. 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 Everyone's here. Flash. We're in Walter's Cafe. I want to sit with the kids. I want to sit with the adults. Too many elbow to elbow. Yeah. Hey, brother. Sweet. Sup, G.
Let's go.
The round table. Hello, Joes. Joes, this is the organizer. Good choice.
It was actually Nana and Friends on it.
Was it?
It's Nana and Friends everywhere. Yeah, I'll back that. It's true.
Okay. Apparently you picked this place, Sonia.
Pardon?
Apparently you picked this place.
Yeah, it was beautiful. I did think it. We're the only table with candles on it.
With what?
With only one with candles on it. Very
Oh.
special.
And they wanted a captain for the table.
There's the man of the hour. The couple. Sorry. kind of fish is that?
Monkfish.
Huh?
Monkfish.
Monkfish. Fish. Whoa. Man, food looks good. We're just waiting to be caught up, then we can go and get our food. Looking goody, goody, goody. Whakalawhatu mā kou. Osi e kai. Makana e eo. Oh, lole lole. O mautolu ki sia e farm show or dog show. Man, this place is called Walter Peak High Country Farm. Ki sia na. Walter Peak. Hey, you guys, come on. Andy, look at that little swinging. This is not a paid activity. Making a run. Shh. Come on. Andy. Man, nice. We are in Queenstown, if you haven't been following the video. Queenstown, Walker's Peak Country Farm. We just finished the buffet. Buffet dinner was good. It was pretty good. Oh, here's the dog here. I think they've finished the show. That's the cool.
You guys.
That was cool. It's the dog whistler. It's a real shepherd. Makes the dog, does the whistles for the dog, and the dog follows his command. It's pretty cool. We're just walking now. Walking, not sure where we're going. We're going to a farm to see some animals. Some random people behind me. Yep. Man, lucky I didn't eat too much. Man, we were walking pretty quick. As for the food, yeah, food, yep, not too bad. Good spot. Not many people around. I think we're the only people that come here. Oh, where are we going? Oh. Oh, I see. Look what we have coming up with. Oh, sweet. Oh. Bro. Haven't been here before. Oh, there's heaps over there. Should we go over there?
We get a good view from here.
sheep.
Oh.
Because they get the sheep to, they get the dogs to round up the sheep and they bring them down here. And then
Oh, okay.
that's the spot.
Where's the right spot? Okay.
Right, yeah, well, I usually put them by my feet and go, look how calm he is. I don't usually have to put his leg there, but that's alright. Even though it's been like a crazy to pull that thing apart. Right, so we've just wriggled a little too close to the machine. So we're just going to pull back step round. Freezing inside of their lambs, so having a little bit less equipment, they sort of do feel a little bit cold, so they'll go and find shelter. Those lambs will follow them. So it sounds a bit cruel sharing them before winter.
Like a big mentality. So cute. Where were you being cute?
Wow. Amazing.
No, I heard Josie. No, I heard someone say this.
1 minute.
Yeah.
One bird.
Oh,
Yeah.
Hey, Indy, look, one has.
Here's the alpacas. Okay. All right. Heading back to the boat now. Did a little walk around, seen the alpacas. Oh! Oh! Oh, oh, oh! Oh! The boat is calling! We're running. We just heard the boat. So now we're going back to the boat. We don't wanna miss the boat now. Indy's just shot off because she's fast. Jackson's pretty fast too, so is Leo. Going back to the boat, it looks like on the camera it looks bright, but it's dark over here. See this big mountain? Yeah. Whoa, they've gone far down the track. I'll go and try and catch them.
I can't run, Josh. John, I'll pee.
Okay. Whoa. Running down. There's a hand washing station. Oh, it looks like a donkey over there. Ooh. It's running to the boat now. Looks good. Everyone's behind us. Everyone's just walking, chilling, while I'm running because they're trying to catch the kids. Oh, there's the shop. Here's a fancy shop here. What shop's this? Ampy. Gift shop and tickets. I don't know where the kids went to. Okay, I see them crossing the bridge. Here's the boat. That's what the boat looks like. It's called the Lady of the Lake. Lady of the Lake. We're going, and now we're going. Hang on, Indy. Oh.
Well, we're not in the queue.
Wow, damn, imagine if there's no queue. Oh, Wow. Check this out. Wow. This looks cool. Just showing. There's the trainer. Thanks, boss. Man, that was awesome. Thanks, man.
Sorry, bro.
Yeah.
Get a good handshake.
Thanks, brother. That's the he was the host. It was cool. Now we're onto the boat. Where are we going? Are we sitting up here? Okay. There's JC and yep, JC and Shane. Yo, that's it. That's it, eh, Shane? Yeah.
Mean night.
Yeah.
It was really good.
Yeah. Probably the first and last time I'll ever do that. Worth it. Shucks. Yeah, first time we know of everyone, eh?
Yeah.
Like 19 of us.
19 of us, yeah.
Wow.
That's pretty cool.
Shucks, yeah.
Temperature change. Apparently it's gonna snow tonight.
Hey,
Yeah.
snow here.
Yeah, I don't know, but they said up about 300 meters up.
Damn.
Yeah, fresh blanketing of snow.
Oh, well, it's just over there. Oh, made it off the boat. Boardwalk. Just waiting for everyone else to get off. Ooh. Crazy. Just waiting for everyone. Oh yeah. Look at these guys. There's the wild crew.
Oh, Albert!
Yeah. Pakalofatu Mako. Where I fly in Queenstown. Just watching Maddie. Maddie's gonna go on first, and depending how her flow goes, these guys are gonna go on before these guys. There's Maddie there. Oh, she's just getting the instructions. There she goes. Floating. Oh my goodness. We just saw Maddie do it, and the girls are still keen, so we're gonna go and pay. Dan, you wanna do it? You do it? Yeah, we're all gonna, Danielle's gonna do it. Come on, let's go. Come on. We're gonna go and pay for these guys to do it. Exciting. Come on. Yeah. Pakalofatu Marco, just dressed up in my spacesuit. I'm off to Mars first, then I'll make my way to Jupiter, Thanks, Maddie, for being the guinea pig. Now we can jump on now. Excited. Yeah, so wish us luck. And thanks, Terry, for recording.